Hey, what's up guys, welcome to another video. So we have heard about the Galaxy A52 a couple of days earlier. Its leaked render has been shared by OnLeaks. Now the same leakster has come up with another leak for the Galaxy A72, which gives us a pretty much good detail about the full exterior design revealed by leaked classless renders. Even though we are only a couple of weeks away from the end of 2020, the rumor mill really stopped checking out new bits of information pertaining to the mobile market, and as a result, the Galaxy A72 5G is back in the news thanks to the new series of leaked renders. This time, the phone exterior design isn't covered by protective case, but the renders tells a similar story as before. The Galaxy A72 5G seemingly has 4 rear-facing cameras instead of 5, and the fourth unit is small depth sensor that almost blend into entirely with the camera bump. The latter has rectangular shape and appears to be covered in glass or so-called glass stick. The back panel will also get a glass treatment according to OnLeaks via voice, and the phone has metal frame and physical buttons on the right edge. As far as the camera is concerned, the same mobile sources tells that the Galaxy A72 5G might features a 12 megapixel ultra-wide shooter as well as a 5 megapixel macro and a depth sensor. There is not enough information to go by regarding the main camera sensor, but there is a reason to suspect that it might have a resolution of at least 64 megapixel. The A72 5G should boast a 6.7-inch flat display with infinity O cutout for the selfie camera. The fingerprint sensor is also going to be the under-display fingerprint sensor, and it's going to be pretty much similar just we have seen in the render images of Galaxy A72. Also, it's supported by 3.5mm headphone jack. The original Galaxy A71 was unveiled in December, so there is a hope that the Galaxy A72 5G might make an official appearance next month. Samsung has yet to reveal any launch plans for the device, and time will tell. The Galaxy A72 5G will represent the best Galaxy A series has to offer in 2021, or if the company has another more premium model in mind. So guys, what do you think about this new design of the Galaxy A72 5G? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and if you are new here on the channel, do consider subscribing it for daily tech video. Thanks for watching this video. Peace.